Hello and welcome to your 5-minute grounded guided meditation. Thank you so much for joining me here. Let's take a moment to get comfortable. Whether you want to lie down or sit cross-legged or pause wherever you are. Take a moment to notice your breathing, how it fills your belly, and oxygenates your blood. Feel it as it circulates throughout your body, providing oxygen to your limbs, to your organs, to your brain. Take a moment to thank your body for doing this function, whether you think about it or not. Let's breathe in through the nostrils, a big deep breath filling your belly, and pause at the top. Holding it and release. Another deep breath in through the nostrils and filling your belly. Holding it and release. Breathe in the positivity, the love that the universe has for you, all the good things coming your way. Breathe out the negative self-talk, the feelings of worthlessness, and anything that no longer serves your purpose. Let's return to a normal breathing pattern. No need to control it. Just notice it. Let it rock you gently like waves on a shore. Bring attention to your shoulders. Let them drop away from your ears. Notice your jaw. Unclench it and relax your face. Let your hands rest wherever they want to. Your body knows how to be at ease. You're just giving it permission now. Now gently bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body where it meets the earth, or the chair, or the bed beneath you. Let yourself be held by gravity. Inhale. I am grounded. Exhale. I am here. Inhale. I am rooted. Exhale. I am steady. Let these words echo softly inside you. Open your eyes slowly when you're ready. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your breath still with you. You are grounded, and you can return to this feeling anytime. thank you for being here.